Here's how to add text to a video in Filmora. Make sure your video clip is on track 1 of the timeline. Go to the Titles tab and browse the presets. Find one you like, download it, and drag it onto track 2 above your video. For a fully custom text, click the Text tool in the toolbar and select Quick Text. Click on the canvas and position your text in the center. Drag the corner handles to resize it, and click on the text to type what you want it to say. In the Titles Basic panel on the right, change the font and color to match your style. To add an animation to your text, extend the text clip on the timeline to your desired length. Click on the text clip and go to the Animation tab. Browse the animation presets and click one you like, for example, Evaporate, then click Apply. Play back your timeline to see your text animating into the video with the effect applied. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.